YouTube is the most popular American online video sharing and social media platform worldwide. And of course, the second most visited website, right after Google itself. If you still don't know why you should have an online presence on YouTube, let me sum it up to you. A successful YouTube presence will bring a whole new dimension to your content because you will have a chance of reaching a large base audience and presenting your brand in a different and new way. Of course, I can't miss it. I mean the tips. You should remember to get active in the community, which means commenting on other videos and subscribing to other channels. As well as getting your brand featured on other channels, you will get a chance to show off your product and gain new customers. And the most important tip is to use guests to grow your audience, and this is by making videos that feature guests with audiences of their own. But what about increasing your YouTube engagement rate? I can't forget that, can I? The secret to increasing your YouTube engagement rate is making your points simple, clear, and digestible. Make sure to recap by repeating key points and emphasize important tips or steps. And a proven way to maintain a YouTube engagement is to post content consistently. Make sure to understand your audience, what they want, and when they want it. Also, encourage shares, likes, and commenting, as well as providing a call to action. Let's talk about numbers. What is a good YouTube engagement rate? What does it look like? Well, according to reports, metrics that score at the 60th percentile or higher are considered to be good. For instance, accounts that average 97.4% in like to dislike rate are at the 60th percentile and are considered to have good performance. YouTubers can make a healthy income, however, the amount they receive can vary greatly. And now, how do we calculate a YouTube engagement rate? To calculate a channel's YouTube engagement rate, you have to add up the total number of likes, dislikes, as well as comments, in a selected time range, for all the channel's videos, then divide by the total number of channel subscribers. And here you go, you've got your YouTube engagement rate.